Hello and welcome to Feel Good 15 with Sing Up and me, Charlotte. It's lovely to have you here wherever you're watching from, so welcome. For those of you who can't see me, you might like to know that I have long blonde hair, I have white skin, blue eyes, and that today I'm wearing a long sleeve black dress. Now this video is all about you. What makes you unique? And it's about you and your community, and we're going to celebrate that. It is also about feelings and emotions. So we're going to start by having a little stretch and a yawn, because this morning might be a while ago. Equally, you might just have woken up. So let's have a little stretch and a yawn and think about how we felt when we woke up this morning. Are you ready? Here we go. Big stretch. Ooh, and a yawn. Lovely. And another one, even bigger. Ooh, great. So this morning you might have woken up feeling excited. Maybe there's something happening today that you're looking forward to. Maybe you woke up this morning feeling a little bit worried about something. Is there anything that you're concerned about or making you anxious? If so, it's a good idea to speak to an adult about it. Maybe this morning you woke up feeling a bit grumpy. And I've got a song called I've Got a Grumpy Face, which I think you're going to like. But first of all, let's warm up our faces and think about the way your face looks when you're feeling some of these emotions. Because when we feel things, we don't just feel them inside. They show on our faces and in the way that we talk. So, for example, when you're feeling sad, it might be that you have a bit of a tummy ache. Or when you're feeling angry, your fists go into a ball and you hunch your shoulders. It might be when you're feeling excited, you get butterflies. So noticing these things is a great way to start the day. So after 3, I want you to show me your best face for when you're surprised. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Great. And freeze for a moment when you get there. I'm interested about what made you excited. Next one, show me your sad face. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. This time, can you show me your confused face? 1, 2, 3. See, my whole body got involved. I tilted my head, had my hand on my finger on my cheek, my hand on my hip. This time, show me your best angry face. 1, 2, 3. Lots of scowling, good stuff. This time, can you show me your exhilarated face? That's a word for extremely happy. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Now I'm going to sing you a bit of I've Got a Grumpy Face, so you know how it goes, and then you can join in. We're going to start with grumpy face, and then we'll do I've Got a Smiling Face, and then we'll try some new ones. So it sounds like this. Have a listen. I've got a grumpy face, a grumpy face, a grumpy face. I've got a grumpy face and it looks like this. Show me your best grumpy face. Lovely. This time let's go for smiling face. Together. I've got a smiling face, a smiling face, a smiling face. I've got a smiling face and it looks like this. Lovely. This time, sad face. Let's slow it down. I've got a sad face, a sad face, a sad face. I've got a sad face, and it looks like this. This time, your happy face together. I've got a happy face, a happy face, a happy face. I've got a happy face and it looks like this. Lovely, well done. So the things that make you happy or the things that make you worried or excited are all different. Sometimes we have them in common with other people, but they're unique to you. There are other things that make you unique as well. They might be your interests, things you like doing, your hobbies. It could be your accent. That makes you really interesting and unique. Your eye colour. Maybe you're one of those people that has a brown eye and a blue eye. Really unique. Maybe it's your freckles that come out in the sunshine. Or your religion. Perhaps it's who's in your family unit. That's really exciting. We're all made up of different family units, and that makes us unique. And I think it would be rather boring if we were all the same. Even if you're a twin and you share genetic makeup with somebody, you're still unique because there are things that make you, you. It might be that you have a different style to your twin or a different interest. I want you to think about the things that make you unique. Now, unique means that you're one of a kind. It means that it's what makes you special and interesting. And it's not the same for everybody. Unique. What makes me unique? Have a think. You might want to tell the person next to you. You might want to share it with your class. I tell you what, I'll go first with 5 things that make me unique, and then it's your turn. Are you ready? Alors, numéro 1, je m'appelle Charlotte et je parle le français. Je parle l'anglais et le français, les deux. So there you go, my number 1, and some of you might have understood that, it was me speaking French, because I am what we call bilingual. It means that I speak 2 languages. I grew up with one French parent and an English parent, which means I speak both languages, and that's really unique, and it makes me different, and I love that. It's a big part of me. Number 2, I was born premature. That means I was born early, before 9 months. In fact, I was born at 6 months. So I was born 3 months early, and I was so tiny I could fit in my grandpa's hand. Number 3, and this is something that other people like doing too, but it's a combination of all these things that make me unique. I love swimming, especially outdoor swimming. So in the sea, in rivers and lakes, I love it. And I'm lucky to live by the sea, and I really enjoy swimming in that when I can. Number 4, I can wiggle my ears. Are you ready? I'm going to show you and you can have a go. So have a look. Did you see it? Maybe you can have a try. And my last thing, number 5, that makes me unique, and I don't know if there's anybody else that can do this, I have cool bendy fingers. They've always been like that. It's just something that I've always had. And it used to make it a bit difficult playing the clarinet when I was younger, but they bend. Yeah, not all the time, but I can bend them. So there you go, 5 things that make me unique. Why don't you have a go at thinking about things, you might think of 5 or even more, that make you, you. Great, now you've done that, let's sing a song together. It's called Gotta Be Me. And let's face it, there's no one better for you to be in the world than yourself. And celebrating all the things that make you unique and individual. Now this song talks about there's lots of people in the world, girls, boys, things that make us same, things that make us different. And it talks about having your own style and you've got to be you. And there's a chorus, it's a repeated phrase. Joel Sullivan, who is Agent 23 Skidoo, who's got this kid hop for you, he says, what you gotta be? And you're going to answer with, I gotta be me. What you gotta be? I gotta be me. What you gotta be? I gotta be me. We're going to do that 7 times. And then we finish with a 1, 2, 3. Got that? In between, have a little listen to the words and things that you can spot. It might be that you want to go and learn this later on. Think about the things that make you, you. Let's sing along. Here we go. Let's have a listen. Oh, here we go. See if you can feel the pulse. Have a listen to the words.
23 Skidoo. That's right. I got some kid hop for you. Alright, kids, check it out. Now there's a whole lot of people all across the world. A whole lot of boys, a whole lot of girls, a whole lot of fathers and uncles and brothers, a whole lot of sisters and aunts and mothers. And whether they're parents or whether they're children, every single one of them's a little bit different. There's only one thing that makes us the same. We all got our own face and got our own name. We all got our own brain and got our own style. Well, that's just the way that you smile and the way that you walk and the way that you talk and the way that you look from your hat to your socks. It's a beautiful thing, being yourself and not trying to act like everyone else. I'ma tell you the truth and you gotta agree. And I can't be you, nope, I gotta be me. So what you gotta be?
I gotta be me.
What you gotta be?
I gotta be me.
What you gotta be?
I gotta be me.
I said what you gotta be?
I gotta be me.
Come on, what you gotta be?
I gotta be me.
What you gotta be?
I gotta be me.
What you gotta be?
I gotta be me.
1, 2, 3. Now some
Well
got
done.
mustaches, Oh, God.
Brilliant. That's a really great song, and it's all about celebrating the things that make us similar and different. And it's about being you, the best person you can be. Now, this video is also about you and your community. Now, a community is a group that you feel that you belong to. I'll give you some examples. There's Scouts or Cubs. Maybe you're a brownie or a guide. Perhaps you're in a sports team or you belong to a choir. Maybe a drama club. Your family is a community. Your school is a community. And even your class is a community. So you belong to lots of these. Maybe you don't even realise. Have a little think about what communities you belong to. Same thing again. Think of 5 if you can. There might be more. Starting with your class and your school. That might be 2 that you belong to. So you might want to pause the video now, have a chat to those people around you about the things, the communities that you belong to. Off you go. Brilliant. So now you're back. I've got another song to teach you. It's called Who Are We? And it's all about you and your community and whereabouts you're from. You could sing this with your friends at school. You could sing it with your brownie group or Cubs or Scouts, even with a sports team. And today's song is going to be about a school that is called St. Mary's, because that's quite a well-known school name. But you could make up your own version afterwards. Now you're going to need to know the answers to some questions before we start, because the way it works is there's a caller, that's me today. I'm going to sing a question, you're going to sing the question back, then I'm going to sing the answer and you're going to sing it back. So have a think. Who are you? If you're in a school, what year group are you in? Reception, year 1? What's the name of your school? Where is your school? Is it in a town or a city? Do you know the county that your school is in? What about the country? Does your country form part of an area such as Europe? Where's Europe? Where's the world? Where's the world? Is in the universe. You could think as big as you like. The next thing you're going to need to know is the tune. There are 4 phrases that repeat throughout the song. Have a listen. La 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 la. Did you spot anything about the 4th phrase? Well done if you noticed it goes down. La 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 la. So keep an ear out for that. You're also going to need to know a clapping pattern that comes at the end of the song. This is the clapping pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You might have heard it before. Have a go with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after that clapping pattern, we have a little recap of the things we've been singing about. So we're going to say St. Mary's, England, Europe, the world. Let's try that together. The clapping pattern and that little last bit. Here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. St. Mary's, England, Europe, the world. St. Mary's, England, Europe, the world. Lovely. So let's have a go from the top together. We're going to sing it to the Sing Up backing track. It's the pop backing track because it sounds really good and it's a lovely upbeat one. Remember, when it's this, it means my turn. When I point to you, it means your turn. Once we've had a go, it'll be over to you to make up your own versions. Remember the clapping pattern at the end, and let's have some fun. Here we go, it comes in quite quickly. Remember, 4 phrases, 3, and the 4th one goes down. Let's go. Who are we? We are year 1. What is our school called? It's called St. Mary's. Where's St. Mary's? It is in Gateshead. Where is Gateshead? It's in Tyne and Wear. Where is Tyne and Wear? It's in England. Where is England? It's in Europe. It's in the world. Where's the world? It's in the universe. St. Mary's, England, Europe, the world. Well done, everybody. Your turn to have a go now with your own words. Remember, you can watch these videos back whenever you like. Join us again for another Sing Up Feel Good 15. Take care. Bye-bye.